Sage 200 Manufacturing, a single solution to connect your entire business with ITAS, the partner that you can trust. Is your team managing your production with spreadsheets? Or perhaps you're using outdated, clunky software that just isn't connected to the rest of your business? Sage 200 connects every area: sales, finance, production, warehouse, and procurement, all within an integrated business suite. Never miss a deadline with Sage 200. Optimize your planning and generate works orders and purchase orders at the click of a button based on demand from orders, forecasts, and minimum stock levels. Get instant visibility of late purchase orders and manage containers so that you can ensure that you don't affect production. Pre-allocate stock and give your customers and your team instant visibility of when you will deliver. Get control of your stock with Sage 200. Minimize risk by tracking batch and serial numbers from purchase receipt through to works order to customer dispatch. Free up cash by automatically calculating minimum stock levels to ensure that you're always maintaining the right amount of stock. Speed up your stock processing with integrated barcoding software that runs on any Android handheld device. Control costs with Sage 200. Get visibility of actual versus budgeted reporting across stock, labour and machine costs. Know your true profitability per customer, per stock item and per order, with the ability to link the actual cost of production to an item on the sales order. Understand your true costs with automatic calculation of landed costs based on weight, quantity or value. And get powerful analytic capability with our integration to Power BI dashboards. So if you would like to learn more, give us a call and book in a consultation with one of our manufacturing specialists, or join one of our online manufacturing demos for more information.